The path to a great recovery begins long before surgery. You'll meet your guides, your surgeon, anesthesiologist, and nursing teams. We'll do labs and checkups to make sure everything is ready. It's important to follow instructions about which medications to take or pause. Use special soap to fight infection and a shower chair for less strain and wobble. Nourish your body with good food to build strength for healing. Stage your home before surgery with clear paths, raised essentials, and safety aids. A reacher and bedside table help prevent twisting and keep items handy. Pack comfortable clothes, essentials, and something comforting from home. Remember to stop eating and drinking at the time we give you. On surgery day, we'll get you settled and start your IV. Feeling nervous is normal. Deep breathing or calming music can help. You have prepared, and we are with you every step of the way. Let's begin your healing journey. Next step, meeting your medical team.